The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. Hope everyone had a great weekend. We're ready for a great week. Morning, Crypticon and Kevin. Let's see here. Let's see what the markets have been doing since the open. To market. We haven't been doing much. We hit a high of 39.95 on ES, which was higher than any point on Friday, which is actually higher than any point since Wednesday. The low so far has been recent, 39.80, so only about a 15-point range. Good morning, Sid. Kappa, up to 40.30, pulled back, about 100 ticks of range. Gold, about 16 points in range. Ultra bond, fallen. About a point in range. Natural gas kind of up and down. With about 130 ticks of range. Last but not least, crude oil just hit high day. About 140 ticks of range. Bitcoin hanging around 22.8. We're ready. We are ready for the day. Crypticon, you're up early. Oh, big move up here all of a sudden from ES. For those of you doing prop firms, remember the 80% off sale for Apex ends tonight. I mean, I'm sure there's going to be another one soon, but this one ends tonight. 80% off lifetime. Good morning, Mr. G. Good luck on that, G. So these last two moves here, based on my triggers, would have worked. I wasn't yet trading then, so we won't count those against me. Oh yeah, news. Let's see if there is any news this morning. I'm not even sure. Let's take a look. Let's take a gander. There's like nothing. There's no news. Oh, Eurozone at 10 o'clock. Eurozone consumer confidence flash. So the Eurozone will be flashing us today. Morning, JC. Huh. So we rose up to 89 there. 95 is the overnight high so far. Gonna go check on the yen since Mr. G just mentioned that. Let's see what the yen's doing. Oh yeah, yen's falling again. Big falls. So we got a nice little rise up here. Morning, Dakota. Oh, everyone's early today. Crypticon, you started a trend today. So, guys, looks like Canadian Futures Trader has totally left us all, besides whatever videos he puts out. Yesterday, he unsubscribed from my Discord, and he also left the Earn to Trade Discord. He also stopped following me and several other accounts on Twitter. They considered as they continue to pop up. 39.90, about 5 points off of the high of the day. See copper popping up a bit. Natural gas. The Ultra Bond. It's got a little life this morning. We shall see, Mr. G. Hey, that rhymed. Those of you who wish to check out Mr. G's video at Winning Wall Street's Money, here's the link. Huh. Give me a second. I need to check since something didn't fire right this morning on Discord for some reason. Weird. The bot didn't work. The hell? So with CFT leaving my Discord, unfortunately, my Discord is no longer fully boosted, and I'm gonna lose the custom link for it. There we go, continuing to rise up here. Yes, Mr. G. Head on up. Getting near the high of the overnight session, which happened here, right after Europe opened. I have no idea, G. He just decided to leave everybody behind at the end of October, and he keeps withdrawing more and more. I mean, he, said Discords are a waste of time. Talking to people is a waste of time. He started attacking people on about micros. I don't know anymore. I'm just sad that I lost a friend. Good luck on that, JC. Pulling back here a little after hitting 93. Morning, Zavok. Pulling down. Falling about 3.5 points. Good morning, Busy. Cool, G. I assume you're in profit on that. Pull down. Good morning, John. Reminder, folks, if you're expecting to enjoy today's stream, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. I'm sorry to hear that, JC. Oh. All right, thanks for that, G. Seems a very slow morning so far. Very slow. How slow can you go? hanging here at 39.89, right above the 20 EMA. Yawning. There's a break of the 20 EMA. Let's see if we're dipping and then gonna rip it. Our pants. Popping down. So it's trying to give this move all the way back. Morning, Borneo. Or good afternoon or evening. Why? What's going on with the? Lunar New Year. About 5 minutes away from the top of the hour. See how this move ended with a huge impulse candle, and then started fading down. It's down about 6 points from its high. Kind of watching here. Coming down to that 100. See if we get some increased movement here. Pulling down. 6E. Oh yeah. Big dump there on 6E. Wow. 5-minute chart. 1-minute chart. See, had it risen up. Came down. I think we should write them all a strongly worded letter, JC. Nope. Less than a minute to the top of the hour. We'll see what we get then. There's been some nice movement here on the ES. It was 2 good trades before I came on. And this would have worked, but it would have been against my plan. It was still above these. Yeah, easy for me to say. Above this 100 EMA. And we're bouncing back up. Hey man, good morning. 300? What's 300? Oh no, I did not. I'm sorry. That's from Friday. I forgot to clear it. Have not taken a trade yet today. Sorry. I just forget to clear that. That's something I gotta update them manually, and I always forget. But I am long here. Long here, up a point, up 2. There we go. There's 2 points. Gonna take it there too. So 2-point winner to start the week. Following my trading plan and actually taking the trade. Who would have thunk that could possibly work? Of course, it now goes up higher, but you know. Thank you, gentlemen and ladies. So now I can actually update the thing. Up $100 on the morning. See, and there was a part of me that didn't want to take that because I was thinking, you know what? It's gonna come down. It's coming up. It's gonna, just come up and then go right back down. But I spent the weekend again here, marking off every possible trade that falls within my plans, and I see that most of the time it works. So I just said, you know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna start taking them, and I did, and it worked. Now it's going another point. We'll work again on getting more points out of it at another time, but if I can get, 2 points on a regular basis, I'll be a happy ox. That's my goal. Oh, it's a 1 minute chart, so I'll probably miss one here and there, but that's the goal. You can already see that one would have worked back there. This was, of course, before I was streaming. I was live yet. So, and then the next setup would have been this candle here, which you can see, obviously, that one would have worked. So the 3 setups in the last hour or so would have worked. This is the one that did. You can see it's still rising, and we're getting close to the high of the overnight session. We're about a point and a half away. I didn't know that they didn't, Judah. I've in the past I've heard of that if people um, send in a request for an asset to be added, that it's happened. It might be an oversight. You might want to send in a support request. If it shows that it's an available asset, they might not realize it. So, well, you do realize that they're only open at Lean Hogs doesn't open till 9:30 though, right? You're not trying to trade it now. But yeah, otherwise, if you're trying to trade it during its regular trading hours, and it's not working, you should probably send them a support request because they probably don't realize it's working. Not working, I mean. So you can see here, this is our high. Just a couple points away. And making another run for the top. Ooh, could just touched it. Touched it. 39.95, perfect. So will this be a double top? Or will we see a bigger pop? Good morning, Justin. It was alright. How was yours? Morning, Robin. Hope your day is going well. Morning, Matt. You two arrived together? Actually, Justin, Robin, Matt all came in at the same time. It's like you all were talking on the Discord and decided now would be the time to join. Bouncing back up. Gonna make another run for it. There it is. Touching, touching, touching. 39.95, touching. Third time we've touched, twice here. Well, I mean, technically it touched on several candles back here. Did. Has not been able to break it. See it running away from it again. There's the break. Up to 39.96. Gonna rise up to 4,000. Q rising up to 11,700. A little above it. Ultra bond market opens in about 7 minutes. I guess this line can go. Lines, lines, everywhere there's lines. $39.96.25 new high. Great job, Sage. See you a little bit later. Also, a reminder tonight, folks. So tonight is our once a week Asia stream. I'll be live at 7:45 Eastern tonight for a couple hours. Last night looks like it was completely dead, though. So I'm not holding out much hope that we're going to have much action. I mean, there was some up and down, but not a lot. Like a 3 to 4 point range, it looks like now that I'm looking at it. Another little pop. Did drop down to 94 there. Let's see if he got in. We're all waiting to find out. There's the rise up, 97. Remember, we have like almost no news today except for getting flashed by these Eurozone confidence or whatever at 10 o'clock. Oh, tomorrow the US S&P flashes us, the PMIs. See 33 people here this morning. Thank you all for joining me today. Just sitting here on the dock of the bay. Copper pulling back. And Ultra Bond, kind of just chappy here. A couple minutes before the Treasuries markets open. Up, and away. Up to 39.98. Let's see here on the hourly chart. And we haven't been this high since Wednesday. Wednesday was PPI, I think. Yeah, that's right. Maybe. I don't remember. Anyway, whatever Wednesday we got a high of 40.33. Tuesday we got a high of 40.35. So those would be numbers to watch right here. If we get like a huge trend day. CL. Oops. Wrong chart. CL. Pulling back a little bit. Looks a little chubby. Incoming choppers. 39.99.25. That's where we got to so far. And we'll watch the opening of the bond market. James Bond. James Bond. Are you talking to Crypticon, JC? Or who are you talking to with that question? Oh, there we go. Crypticon, you're long on CL? Well, the bonds didn't do anything with its open. Wowzers. Oh, there we go. Someone must have nudged it and reminded it was supposed to be opening. And we see ES just tickled 4,000. Only a 3-tick pop there on its open for Ultra Fund, at least in the initial minute. So it hit 4,000 exactly and pulling back a little bit. Not a tick more, I say. Not a tick more. I'll see you, James. Have a good day. See you, Tima. Seems like a pretty big group just unsubbed. My subs went down by 12. Goodbye and thanks for all the fish. Whoa, oh, that looked weird. That looked bigger than it was because it's blown up. Down to 39.98. What's your stop, Crypticon? Or what's your entry point? What's your stop? Nice, G-Man. Sorry to hear that, Crypticon. See you, B. Livingston. Hope you enjoy whatever channel you decide to hang out at. Have a great day. Nice job, G. JC, did you get in on that trade at 94 or whatever it was you called? Oh, it was 84? Oh, okay. I apologize. I misread. Okay, well, I'll see you, Funky Cole Medina. That big group that I just thought was just about maybe a few people are all unsubbing en masse. We're down 18 subs this morning, which is fine. Morning, Ace. How was your weekend? Yep, I agree. In other news, Ace, CFT is totally, well, I assume will never be coming back. He left the MightyOxTrading Discord yesterday. He left the Earn to Trade Discord. He stopped following me and several other accounts like Burl on Twitter. Mr. Worldwide, this is one place you won't be. See, Mr. Worldwide, go find another channel to complain about. I'm sure you spend every day of your life being miserable. Hey, trade together, welcome. He's legit. There's 95. Good job, G-Man. As usual. When did CFT warn you about MightyOx? I don't know. I think something happened. Let me just say that there's something that I know the man's legit. I know the man has a big heart because he helped me out with something, and I don't know what's caused this change, and I wish I did. Something triggered something somewhere. But without taking a road trip to Canada and looking for that very obvious Jeep, there's nothing I can do. It's very weird. Absolutely. But hey, I still think Vincent Nieves' disappearance is weird. He has two. He bought a Jeep for the winter months. Goblin Green. Porsche doesn't handle well in snow. He lives in Montreal. Bye bye, Carrie. Bye bye, Carrie. Just ban him. Instead of doing the timeout, just go and ban him. We're down 21 subscribers this morning so far. But yet there's still 38 people here. Excuse me. Mac. It'll pop back up. Now, theoretically, this was a trigger candle back up. Now, I'm glad I didn't take it, because I would have got stopped out, but we'll see. Here's the thing. I would prefer no bashing of CFT. I don't know what caused this. I don't want to judge because a big change like this usually means something happened in real life. I don't know what it was. I can't talk to the guy, but I consider him a friend. This channel would have never gotten to where it was without him. He's helped me out in so many ways. The whole sponsorship thing, when I was sponsored by TickTick, that was his idea. The man has helped me out a lot. And as I've said once before, several times before, I'm just sorry that I lost a friend. And I wish I knew why. The only reason this channel ever hit 1,000 subs was because he kept promoting it. And when he knew I wanted to hit 1,000 before the 1 year anniversary, He put in a lot of work to help make that happen. There's a trigger candle back up. If it gets back above the high of that candle, I'll take the long. I feel like we might have petered out here on the long side. Life is a mystery. Everyone must stand alone. If that doesn't get people to unsub. Now, I will say this onslaught this morning is kind of weird. FK, yeah, well, yeah, I saw that. He said that back in November. So, but it's just weird. It's getting deeper because what he didn't unsub from the discords until yesterday. I have no idea what that means to challenge. And I was right not to take that as we continue to bop back down. Now, see, even though we're above the 100 right now, our very short term, as in the last 10 minutes, trend. If you, we can't really call it 10 minutes a trend for the most part, but is down. So now I'm hesitant to take anything to the upside. Good morning, Burl. Goodbye, Arthur Harrison. RJ, do you want to ban that one? So far, Matt and Ace has gotten in the bans. That reminds me. Is that a list? Have a wrench, JC. Yours isn't working, RJ? Well, let's go get rid of this one. Uh, Morning, Hafiz. As we're just kind of hanging here at 39.95 to 94. Gotta love it. Do I thank everyone for joining me that's staying. Morning, John. About 45 minutes from the bell. So far today, 1 for 1 on trades for $100. 23 people have unsubscribed. We have banned, I think, 5 or 6. It's been an interesting morning. Cryptocon's back. I see CL has rebounded some. Their market opens in about 13 minutes. A huge group that I think was actually like 3 or 4 people with different IDs. It was it's the continuation of the attack from Friday. Everyone complaining that I don't allow talk on here about flatulence and other bodily functions. I shouldn't say don't allow. Just don't want it to be a main subject. Bye bye, Warriors Bay. Who wants to ban Warriors Bay? A lot of wrenches in the chat right now. I'm not mad at anyone. People don't want to be here. Then I'm making sure they can't be here. I don't care less anymore. Funny that you're asking someone with the name Mystery in their name to clear something up. Getting down to that 100 EMA here, down to 39.92. What? I think it's Tuck. Tuck. Ace Tuck. Then leave, Wire. There's other trading channels out there. I would suggest, I mean, Weenie's trading this morning, or Greg. Um, I trading with Travis. He's streaming most days now. You got Trader Live TV or whatever the heck that is. You have trades by Matt. There's plenty of other options. You know what? If I no longer like the channel, I wouldn't go in and saying, "Hey, I no longer like the channel." I would just leave. I would leave silently. I wouldn't have to announce my leaving to get attention from everybody. You're all are attention-seeking whores. Down to 39.92. There's a break of the 100, or kind of bent. It hasn't broken yet. I mean, all of you are ridiculous. All these people that are leaving, the ones that are still here. You complain about every channel. When you first started showing up here, you complained about beginner trader or beginning trader, whatever he is, and that he was complaining too much. Then you were here, you were talking about how Weenie doesn't trade right, doesn't do this right, doesn't do that right. He's too wild, he's too hyper. Now you're complaining about me. I'm seeing the pattern, and this is why I couldn't care less about any of you that decide to leave. You'll find another channel that you'll be happy to complain about after trying to make it look like you're all really good subscribers and all that. So just go. Don't waste my time anymore. Find a trading channel. Like I said, I think you all should head over to Speculator Seth. I think he would love you there. Well, he's streaming today, starting in a little bit. Good morning, Speed Racer. TC, you don't need to be here. None of you, no one's paying either Weenie or Greg's or my bills. Greg, stopped streaming regularly because it was no longer profitable for him. None of you, I don't owe any of you anything. That I just try to be a good, entertainer. But no, I'm not gonna. It's a trading channel. There's no reason for me to constantly put up with people talking about me having gas or me doing other things. Ouch. Joshua, well, if I jumped the shark, I would drown anyway because I can't swim. But here's the thing: there's people I respect. If Ace said to me, "Hey, dude, you're just totally starting to screw up your stream. Things have changed, and it's just there's something wrong, and you need to work on it." And I would listen to Ace, and there's plenty of others here like that. No, no, none of the people here that just left is in that category. What bot is funny? Meanwhile, this is one of the slowest price action warnings we've seen in a while. Back down to 39.92, just hanging on the 100 EMA. All right, Ace. Popping up. So bounced off the 100, well, several times before finally popping. Technically, this is a trigger candle, but I don't trust it. It's giving back half the candle. At This was a trigger. I did not take it. I don't know. We're in a downward trend now, even though we're still above the 100. Although that was a strong candle up. We'll see. Top of the hour, crude opens. Quick dip. Big dip. Big dip on ES there too, actually. So I was right not to take that trade. Oh, nice pop there on CL. Back up. Excellent, John. Glad to hear that. How's the algo? So move down, move back up. This is actually a trigger candle back up that I am going to take if it holds. Ah, long. Oh, immediately pulling back on me though. Stop just below the EMA. Looks like I'm going to get stopped out though. We'll see. Actually, we'll give it 2 points. It stays above that EMA. How are we doing here, guys? Let's see. Oh, back to my entry. Awesome, John. Hanging here at my entry. Up a little below. Seems like it's stalling out. Consistency is excellent. Looks like this is not going to work. We shall see. Yep, stopped out. So we're back down to nothing. Just fine. Up and at 'em. I see you're a new subscriber. Welcome. Sorry you happen to come in on a day that there's like all this controversy. 50 people here though. I'm not sure what that's about either. $50 is a lot. That's not a number I see often. So yeah, I was kind of wondering there. I mean, I follow my plan to take in that trade, but it was kind of iffy. Took the loss. Next. So now I have a feeling we're not done cleaning house yet. I have a feeling we're going to see more. And I'll be checking out Weenie's channel then, see if they go over there and start talking about me. Greg's. Although he needs to change that top banner. It still says Weenie Trades. So yeah, I don't know. I think we're kind of trying to head down here. Kind of trying to, kind of trying. Easy for me to say. Hello, Freighter. How you be? Taking this short here. The break of the 100. Moving my stop to 2 points. Awesome, JC. There we go. Moving down. Moving on down. Hi, Daniel. It'll pop back up. The 100 sitting at 39.92 half. My stop's just slightly above that. A couple more people getting banned, Burl. Me taking a loss. Well, then you should tell the clown to leave. I mean, I don't know what you're doing with a clown. I don't really want to know, but tell him to leave. Then goodbye, King. I am officially taking your crown. Down 3 ticks. Told you there'll be more. Down 25 subs this morning from 12:45 to 12:20. Let's see if we can get down to 1200. It's my channel. How you can't? I can't. I've never even seen your name before. Meanwhile, I'm up 3 ticks on this trade. 4 ticks now. Oh, back up to my entry. Silver dropping. Silver and gold. Oh, gold's dropping too. Oh yeah, look at silver just go down. Oh, look at my trade go down. There we go. Moving, moving, moving. JC, you want to go for your first ban there? Get the hunter. I'm managing my trade. Next to the name, there's 3 dots. You hit hide user on this channel. There we go. G-Man got him. Back up to my entry point. I love all these people saying they're out when I've never seen them before. I don't care. G-Man got 2 now. California knows how to party. Sitting in this trade, it's back up to my what's the word? I don't care, power. I'd rather have 10 good people here than a bunch of whiny, no good people that are just complaining all the time. Yeah. This trade's going to turn against me right here. Okay, we're out. Took the $50 loss. Should have taken the $50 win. I'll help you with that love story. So I went exactly 2 and then turned around on me. Technically, it's a trigger candle back up, but I'm staying flat to the open. No, that's not what I'm seeing though. It just takes a while for YouTube to update. You can see here. 12:18 is what I'm down to. Started the morning at 12:45, so I think that's a 27 sub drop. All right, Daniel, I'll keep that in mind. I'm back down. Oh, Burl, anything you can tell us about? So we watch as we go into the bell, about 10 minutes from the bell. Okay. Sounds good, Burrow. So, interesting morning. Always a fun time of MightyOx trading. By the way, if I hadn't moved the stop on that trade, let me look. I was in at 91, stopped at 92. The stop should have been at 93. Let's see here. I got in at 91. What was the high? It still would have stopped me out. So moving the stop was okay for a 2-point stop. We're just hanging around the EMAs right now. Hanging around the EMAs. Watching time slip away. Yeah, it's my goal eventually as well, Daniel, is to run more than one contract. Right now, I only run one contract, so I can't. But yeah, that's always been the goal. See us popping back up here. So this would have been a trigger candle back up, but I don't like it when we start messing around with both EMAs at this exact spot. So, but that would have 92. Yeah, that would have almost worked so far. Ah, well, at least you got a little bit out of it there, JC. We're 5 minutes away from that bell. Yeah, so that trigger candle would have worked. I'm trying to figure out how to handle when these start all kind of like intertwining. And I think looking down here might be my answer. As you can see, we stayed above that yellow line. That would have meant we could have taken the long there. But we shall see. Didn't take any trade there. This is probably the safest. Let me go check out Weenie Trades. See if all the good people went over there. See over at Weenie Trades. Everyone was leaving Ox Channel today. They ran off all his subs. Dude is just a gambler and very rude. I left that channel months ago. Oh, hi, the world above. I see you apologize to Weenie for leaving his channel for mine. Yeah, they never made any positive contributions. They just want to complain, you know. Find a reason. They'll complain about Weenie to another channel here in a few. I'll be talking to Greg about this gang later. He and I talk regularly. They're bashing me to someone I consider a friend, and he considers me a friend. So I think that's funny. I don't really, I'm not sure any of them actually trade. We are ready for the bell in about 90 seconds. Morning, Abby. Welcome. Yeah, I like Weenie. I consider Greg a friend. And they're over there bashing me, thinking, like they're gonna get him on their side. Me and him will be having a long conversation about this later on. Pull back here. Right before the bell. Ding, 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 ding. Rise it up. Remember our overnight high was 4,000 exactly? We're sitting at 39.95 after this little bit of a pullback. Down here, 4.5 points. Strong move. Kind of hesitating here. 39.91. Nice move down. Long 89 for G-Man. Down to 87. Big move down. Saved you all from the sneeze of doom. Down to 87 quarter, sorry. Actually, we hit 86 quarter. Since we opened, we're down about 7 points. Oh, there's the pop-up. Gain back that whole last candle. Pulling down. Trying to send me a long signal here. Nope. Heading back down. A reminder for those of you doing prop firms, Apex's 80% off sale ends tonight. It's 80% off lifetime. So far we're looking Kind of shortish today, but pop in there. Oh, there we go. Back up. That NASDAQ running here up to 11,722. See Ultra Bond heading up. Got up to 96. I kind of like a short idea here, but I don't know yet. Waiting here to see if we have any type of setup. So far, I don't like it. I don't love it, and I don't want some more of it. See, right back up by almost 2 points. That's exactly what I'm afraid of. Just why there we go, getting beaten back down. Oh, and right back up. Can't really find direction yet. They're still at 39.91. Still watching. Still waiting. Copper coming down. Metals are coming down. You see gold. New lows. Silver that somebody mentioned earlier. Not able to get above the EMAs. And Q doing the same thing. Ultra Bond starting to head toward the upside. Yeah, that's where we're staying around, that 39.90 high, 39.90 half. Good morning, Glitch. Good to see you. There's a break up. Can it Watching this, remember 4,000s are high of Globex or overnight or whatever. Our high from the opening candle, 39.98 quarter. Did not get above this candle here yet. I'm sure. I'm totally staying out right now. You can see we're still intertwined here. We're like right in the middle here, down there. There's like no direction yet. No direction. So if I took a trade right now, it would be just a total guess on my part. Right back down. Staying above the EMAs there. That looks a little, but still, not. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Not one little bit. It's still trying to rise. Up, up, down, left, right, A, B start. There we go. It's trying to make a run. 39.98. All right, G-Man. And then there's a rise up. 39.98 3/4. Yeah, yes you did. I saw those, G-Man. So did not reach 4,000 yet. Still at 39.97. Oh, 39.98.75. 38, 39.98.25 of these two candles. Struggling to get above there. See if it takes another shot. It's taking another run toward it. 39.96. Nice little pop. Gonna try and make that run again. $39.98 half. So far we're not. There's the break. There it is. There it is. There's 4,000. There's 4,000 half. The new high, 4,000 half and 4,000 half. Pull back. I wanted. Oh, I was gonna set an order right at 4,000 and chickened out. Up there, rise it up, 4,002. Whoa, big move. Nice pullback there on the Ultra Bond. And up. 4,004. Nice impulse candle. Touching that top band though. $4,006. What was Daniel? It said 4,012 earlier. Nice job, Julian. Now let's see 4,003. Nice, Dakota. Yeah. Yep. Now trying more green. Back up. Back up, back up, back up. NATE, the war into the G. Weenie just timed out somebody for putting me down. 4,008. Still rising. Rising up. So just kind of watching here, continuing up to 410. Hey, so Daniel, if you're still here, that 412 was a pretty good call. We're now higher than any time since Wednesday when we moved down on PPI. So up to 4012 and a half. So that was a great call, Daniel. If you're still here, great job. $40.12 half. Pulling back a bit. Yep, we are nearing the top of the hour. Pull back here from 12 to 9. And here's another top. There, I mean, another run to the top. Oh, we double top there at 412, 40, 12 and a half. So 3 times now it's hit it and failed. Coming back down to 4,009. Coming down. So after that third hit, again, it's not part of my trading plan to play that type of reversal. I mean, I'd like it to be at some point in time, but that's not what I've studied, recently. But once I hit that third time, gave me this red candle, I was going to take it for this, and I could have and gotten my 2 points. Yep, down by 7 from the top. Or 5, I mean, not 7. Down 2-7. Ultra bond kind of leveling out. Pulling this back. Hand sitting at 4,005, 4,006. We're waiting. Trying to pop back up here. Not yet, though. Not yet. Bullish and golfing. Taking it long. There we go. There we go. Boom. To coin a phrase. Out. 3 points. $150 winner there. My cat's congratulating me. Not sure if I wasn't showing my chart that it's there. You can see 4,825 entry, 4,011 out. Up to 4014 here. And I'm now up $100. Back up to $100 on the day. Now, I did listen to G-Man there when he went long, but that was also part of my refining my strategy. We saw this move here. We came down, and then we seen this bullish engulfing candle over here, looking like it wanted to head back up, and we did. I did hesitate slightly, and then when G-Man said he went long, I kind of like got more confidence. Yes, top of the hour. That was a nice, and that was a nice. We often see a boost. Oh, that's right. We had news at the top of the hour. Oops, totally forgot about it. Um, Eurozone consumer confidence flash negative 20.9. They expect it negative 20. U.S. lending index negative 1.0. They expect it negative 0.7. So that little boost was also a little bit from news. Nice, JC. Now we see pull back. We got the 40-14 half pulling back just a tad. Still hanging toward the high. Obviously, we're at or near at highs today. We're at highs since Wednesday. We're about 20 points away. No, 30 points away from the high of last week. Pulling back here just a bit. So, excuse me 1 second. Yep. So 2 for 3 on the morning. No, I'm wrong. 2 for 4 on the morning. Forgot how many trades I took. Pulling back now to 40.11. So, so I've gotten two $100 winners. No, I'm sorry. I got a $100 winner, a $150 winner, a $100 loss, and a $50 loss. So net gain $100. There's a break of the 20 EMA. Let's see if we if we bounce back up or if this is the start of our move down. So, how's everyone else doing? Are we getting any trades? Besides G-Man, who I know is getting good trades. Nice. Nice, RJ. Good job. Yep. Popping back up. Gonna pop up here. Technically a trigger candle, but it wasn't a strong one. I'm watching it. Taking the long. Taking the long. We're up one tick. Ready to close it. In at 80.75. Set the stop at 2 points. Two ticks late, but not real confident in it. Yeah, I'm not confident here at all. Ah, out. Turn against me. Took a 5 tick loss. See if I got out too soon there. We'll see. Still 37 bucks in the day. Yep, I got out, I think. Well, we'll see. It's a good question. Yep, well, maybe not. We'll see. Good morning, Austin. Welcome to the stream. I don't recognize your name, so I apologize if I have forgotten you. Or if you're new, welcome, welcome, welcome. Looks like I did get out. May have jumped out too soon here. Let's look. Do I still have my chart up there? I do. Yep, I got out too. I let it shake me out too soon. Got out at 40, got out there, went down. Well, maybe not. No, wait. I got in there. Never mind. Yeah, I let it shake me out too soon. I still got to work on that. Just let it go. Either don't move the stop. So we're heading back up. So that was I let what would have been a winner become a loser. Yeah, it's okay. Just gonna learn because see you can see here my entry was actually it wasn't right there. It was 75. So say like right there. And if I 2 point stop was enough, it would not have stopped me out, and we could have got up to 5 points out of it. Very nice trade, G man. And we have a new high day, 40.16 and a half. So, oops, that's okay. I took the trade, I just didn't manage it well. Taking the trade, just taking the trade has been one of my struggles. $40.17. I'm up $37, Sid. So 17.75 was our high, pulled back by about 3 points now. Ah, sorry to hear about your loss there, G. Hope you're still overall green on the day. I feel more confident today. I shouldn't have moved this stop, but kind of hanging here now at 15. Yeah, I was wondering if they're going to get back up to last week's high. Seems pretty strong right now. It's giving us this one pullback and I messed that trade up, not having confidence in it. Welcome back, Ace. Get breakfast then? Big short at 40.20. I'm sure the birds thank you. Watching. Happy. Ultra Bond completely just kind of died. NQ up to 11.820. Oil pulling back. Trying again. Natural gas dumping. Pulling down. We're hanging there. Struggling to get above 40.17. Oh, pulling back down to 14.14, 40.14, 14.14. Now that would be a drop. Hanging here at 40.15. About 40 minutes to go on the stream. I do want to thank everyone for being here today that wanted to be here today. Very much appreciated. If you haven't hit that like button yet and you have enjoyed the stream, I'd appreciate it if you did. And we're heading up. Trying again. Trying to break through that 40. Sudden tickle on my throat there. 40.18's been the high. You see it's tried to get up above there like 4 times. There's a break. 40.19. Darn throat tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. $40.19 quarter. A lot of people said they want a short at 40.20 area. Got within 1 tick of 40.20 there. There's 40.20. Big move through it up to 40.20.75. Back down to 40.20. Can it hold 40.20? Struggling to get any higher right now yet. 40.20.75. Volume's a little lighter on this candle as well compared to the last candle. New candle here pulling down. Where there's 40.21. There's 40.22. Sorry, glitch. 40.22 half. 40.23. Rising up high. Pulling back a little bit here. Got up to 40.23 half. Back down to 40.21. Ouch. Sorry, didn't mean to hit the mic. That probably sounded bad. And back down to 40.21. Got us sitting here. So 40.23 half is the new high. That's about 12 points off of last week's high. And that was the high for quite a while. See if the trend continues to move up. It's only given us one real pullback, and I blew that trade. Took the long, which was of course right, but I stopped and given enough room to breathe, and up and away it went. 40.23 half. $40.24. So this is why I don't like. I'm not. Let me put it this way. Not good at playing reversals at all yet, and this is why the whole trend is your friend thing that Burl likes to talk about. It. We hear from a lot of people. Is the case. I was also thinking. I was hearing everybody talking about 40.20, and part of me was thinking, yeah, okay, but I did not take it. It's not on my trading plan. And you can see we've gone up now 4.5 more points. Yep, that's mainly what I try to do, unless it's something really, really obvious. Like a quick burst up that just totally flies through bands and all that. If I can catch that quick, I might go for it. But yeah, otherwise, I just, when I was going through my week here of ES, you can see everything's with the trend, 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 trend. Now, what I was trying to do is trying to figure out what to do when things were like intersecting. There's a pullback, about 2 points. Whoa, crash on Bitcoin after it got above 23,000 there. There's another rise up. If anyone's interested in Top Step, they have a 30% off sale. Ends tonight as well. There we go. There's 25. So now we're 10 points away from last week's high. If you look at ES, look at this strong move up here. So let's put the bands on that. That's interesting. We're kind of, I don't know. I'm expecting a pullback soon. We shall see. But you can see we're higher. We can get above this 35. That's the highest we've been in a heck of a long time. Since back in mid-December. Mid-December back in 2023. But yeah, this is almost into the third or fourth band. I'm not sure. Wait, actually, let me look. Yeah, it's almost in the fourth band. You can see well extended here as well. So looking for that pullback. This is where I get a little bit antsy because everything's starting to scream pullback. Not there yet, so out to 40.26. Quickly down to 24. A half an hour to go on the stream. Nice pullback here. So it got to up to 26, pulled back to 22. Uh, they're over on that weenie trade complaining about me now. No, 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 no. He's on my side. He's not giving them the attention. Weenie is a good friend, and after he's done streaming today, he and I will talk about what's going on with the situation. This group of people is just a bunch of complainers. They've been in here in the past complaining about Weenie. They complained about other channels. They just go from channel to channel to find stuff to complain about. Oh, hi, Matthew. I assume you're the same Matthew S. from Weenie. I've actually thought, and I have never been able to prove it honestly, but I think there's like this group. It's like it's 30 to 40 names, but I often wonder if it's a lot of the same people switching IDs. Thank you, Matthew. Yeah, I mean, they're see what happened was is there's a group they hardly ever talk about trading at all, and but they like to make jokes about masturbation and flatulence and bodily functions and things like that. And I just started saying, I mean, once, every now and then, I joke around, whatever, but, it was the only thing they were ever contributing. So I started, telling them about it, and then all of a sudden I started becoming rude and all that. And like I said, they have been in here complaining about Weenie in the past, saying he's too uptight, saying he yelled at Bryce, saying he's too loud, they can't handle him. They've complained about another channel, beginning trading or beginner trading or something. So it just seems like they hop stream to stream, finding a reason to complain. So yeah, I mean they unsubbed en masse today. I'm down like 27 subs today, but I really don't care. But I knew they were gonna go over and complain to Weenie, which is why I quickly, I show them. I see they're still complaining. I've already sent Greg a message on Discord, and he says he's not giving them the attention that they're seeking. So I'm sure they're gonna find another, try and find another channel to complain in eventually. Well, yeah, but I'm explaining what's going on, G-Man, and the fact that we're kind of sideways right now. Awesome, great job. Trade together. Streakers. You mean like people running naked? Oh yeah, he is a really cool guy. I love Greg. He's a great man. And, we talk on Discord. I mean, I don't know if they've noticed or not when I've have spoken a couple times, but I'm a moderator in his channel. So, oh, they still run. There's still people that run on the field every now and then. They're idiots, but they run on the field. But yeah, I mean, the thing is with them calling me rude, every single one of my streams are there for anyone to view. If anyone wants to really think I'm rude on a regular basis, you can go back and view and see that the only people I'm rude to are the ones that come in here and say, "Up, I'm unsubbing because I don't like this." I'm just saying, "Hey, well, see ya. Don't let the door hit you." But I'm like one of the least rude people you're ever gonna meet. So anyway, Matthew, I definitely appreciate the love and support. You're joining here, and appreciate everyone that wants to be here for being here. And honestly, I mean, I want to clarify as we try to head back up here, 4024. If you ever do have a complaint about the channel, about me, about something, I have no problem if you express that complaint in a respectful way. I definitely look for constructive criticism. Not on my trading. I mean, I'm just talking about on the stream itself and how I conduct myself and talk with everybody, and even even if it's something of how I analyze or how I talk about the markets. Anything constructive, I would definitely listen to. I don't want an echo chamber of everyone telling me, well, everything's great. If there's something you don't like or something that you know whatever, just definitely give me feedback. Make it respectful. I need to sing more. Something tells me something tells me there's opposites of that request there, Avi. Should I just like sing the whole string one day? Here we go, rising up down to 4024. Break of the EMA. Will it make our day? Not sure how many were here about a week or two ago when I did like a whole half an hour to stream like I was a sports broadcaster. Break of the 20. So here's the pullback down to 2020. I mean, sorry, 4020. 2020 would be one heck of a drop. And bouncing back up. I could do Howard. I'll need to listen to him. I haven't listened to him in a long time, but I could probably do the Howard Cosell impression. Up and then back down. See if it gives us a green. If it gives us a green, we'll go long. Or for it to give us a green, it needs to get up to back up to 4023. Taking the long. Oh, ouch. Did show 3 ticks up and then pull back. It's kind of whippy here all of a sudden. Two-point stop. Looking to see if it moves up here. This wick is touching EMA. Oops, I thought I showed the chart. Sorry. There we go. That's why I so prefer trading off of Tradovate. Trading view. Don't have to quickly show the chart. There we go. 2 points. Oh yeah. Trailing stop. Out. Just shy of 3 points. Two and 3/4 points. $137 win. Again. What do you know? Win following my trading plan. What a shocker. Have a great day, Avi. So there we go. Dipped down, came back up, took this as the trigger. Nice long, boom up. You see I could have got like 4, but so I got, I got that much, but that's fine. I think something might be clicking. Besides my jaw, ouch. Up 175 now on the day. So the trades I've taken today. Let's take a quick gander back at them. Remember, this worked. This worked if I hadn't moved my stop. This would have been a winner. Hold on, let me find the other ones real quick. I don't think I marked them all off. Uh, Hold on one second. 9 o'clock. Oops. Wait. Yeah, that one didn't work. This one did. I took one here. I don't remember exactly where. Hold on, no. Sorry. Here. I took this one. We had this bullish engulfing here. That worked. Then, which one? There was one that just didn't work for me. Which, let's see here. 807. Or 907 your time. This one here did not work. Took the break of the 100 EMA and it ended up not going to. Ended up stopping out. I stopped it out a little early. That one just didn't work. Strong candle down, which is sometimes a red flag. And then there was the one at right before that. This one also didn't work for me. And then there was one before that that did. So overall, it's a good day. Definitely feeling more confident. See, we're still going. Eventually, I like to get bigger targets, obviously. But right now, I'm just trying to get some momentum using my strategy. You can see this is going 6 points. We're at new high day, 40.29. Remember last week, 40.33, 40.35 for the highs. 40.33 here, 40.35 here. Continuing to move up, 40.29 half. So I just need to continue doing this. I need to continue taking the trades that I keep telling myself, when I look at, if you look at here, this is, I spent, like I said, I spent hours again this weekend looking at the various moves and looking at them and looking at them. And you can see here, this is the perfect type of trade. This is exactly the types of trades I was charting out from last week. Moves up. Once above both the 20 and the 100, take it. If you're in a trend, I have a couple like here. I mean, that one wouldn't have worked, but actually 2 in a row didn't work, but that's okay. That one works. That one works. These are exactly what I'm looking for. Boom, boom, boom. Wow. 40.29 half. 40.29. And the thing is, as you can see, I mean, today we haven't had a lot of opportunity, not as much as normal. It's been but if we look here, say this was actually Friday, and you can see all the different trades I marked out. I start at when the stream would start, and you can see there's lots. Usually, let's just count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 11 opportunities just in the hours that the stream would be going. Now, I actually went for the whole day. Eventually, I wouldn't mind trading the whole day. And you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 more opportunities throughout the rest of the day. So there's plenty of opportunities with my, what I'm trying to do anyway. Yep, I've been watching. I have him muted, but yeah, and I see him starting to time out people. I knew they were gonna go there when I saw he was streaming today. And I've already talked to Greg on Discord. Well, I told Greg I want to talk to him later. They'll all be sorry when I'm making $10,000 a day and they all want to be commenting on it. The other reason that trade was actually easy to pick there, that last one, is if you look here, not on the volume, but here, see how we dipped below there and came back up? That was another confidence that even though we were below this yellow line, I mean, the yellow line was kind of trending down. Confident, that it wanted to pop back up there. Something else I look at. Oops, I scrunched that way too much. Scrunchy. Once again, for everyone that wants to be here, that enjoys being here, I really do thank you for your support. It's just this. I mean, I love to know, what the purpose of that group is. I mean, they seem like I said, they go from stream to stream. It's whatever. Gotta love the internet sometimes. Gotta love the internet. So we didn't get up to 40.30, at least not yet, but it's trying. It's still hanging there. Freighters over there. Hello, people of Walmart. I see you, Freighter, if you're still here. I don't know how anyone can watch two streams. I was there. I had the volume on for Greg for a bit, and I was almost trying to comment back toward him. Up to 40, 31 and a half. 40, 32, making the run for the border. Remember 40, 33, 40, 35 were highs last week. There's 32.75. Impulse candle here. Strong candle up. Strong candelabra. Pulling back. See, this hourly candle is getting real close to hitting that fourth band. And it's outside the bands. I mean, it's very rare to see something extended this high up on this. And remember, I don't believe in overbought, oversold. But not only is it well up into the supposed overbought thing, but it's through that band. So I do believe we're going to come down, but I never make a decision based on this until I start seeing it. We see the pullback here. We got 32.75 already pulled back by about 3. Oh wow, I didn't even realize it was 11 o'clock. Wow. Time sure flies when you got a whole bunch of haters in the chat. Yeah, the high of the day was 40.32. Are you asking if I think that's where it's going to top out? It's possible because it is. I mean, it's within 3 points of last week's highs, but we'll see. There's no guarantee. It's already trying to climb back up that big candle down. Hang for another minute or two. Have a great day, Glitch. Hopefully see you tomorrow or tonight. Remember, reminder, folks. We have a stream this evening. The Asia stream, 7:45 Eastern. Live for about 2 hours tonight. Oh, awesome, Crypticon. That's wonderful. And remember that flash sale from Apex is ending tonight. Anyone that wants the 80% off, appreciate if you use the link there in that Nightbot posted, or that code that Nightbot posted. It's Matthew Rocco's code. Helps him out a bunch. He helps this channel out a bunch. Helps me out personally a bunch. So I like to give him something back. Have a great day, JC. So I think we are going to call it there. We'll see where the market wants to go. We'll talk about it tonight and tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day, everybody. Hopefully tomorrow will be less drama. I think we got rid of most of the haters. And I keep it on subscriber only mode, so they would have to resubscribe the ones we didn't ban to even talk. So have a great day, everybody. See you tonight or tomorrow. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading. Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading. And Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.